At Wisconsin, even as early as orientation, our students are getting to know alumni and companies with real live business examples of how they're using marketing techniques to solve their challenges.
A big part of our DNA is applied learning. So students learn a ton of stuff from faculty in the classroom, but we want to be able to connect that to what happens in the industry.
One of the intangibles that Wisconsin has that maybe some of the bigger programs don't have is just that level of intimacy where you're getting one-on-one interaction with different board members, meeting the executives at other companies.
One of the most impactful learning experiences I had was during an applied learning with Scott Cook. And it just changed the way that I think about how companies operate and how brands can come to life.
Intuit or P&G, SC Johnson, those leaders would come into our class and talk to us about case studies that they were experiencing. And so we were able to then take what I had learned in class and give them recommendations to what we thought they should do.
I was fortunate enough to travel with the school to South America, where we visited Chile and Argentina. And it was an eye-opening experience to be able to see how brand marketers work in other countries.
When P&G comes back and gives a case study, it's not just telling, the real pretty story of what they might read in a public interview. We'll peel back and share what really happened and the challenges that business leaders face, which are not always black and white. And we open that up to the students because we know that they will be facing those challenges that come in leading a business.
What really sets it apart here is the actual student advisory board engagement that happens. It's real world, working real problems.
Applied learning at the Wisconsin School of Business takes a variety of forms. One of the things we do is a consulting practicum. So students get to work with a real company, a real project for the duration of the semester. That is a pretty powerful way for our students to learn everything that they learn in the classroom and apply to a real context.
The Marketing Leadership Institute is going to serve all students interested in marketing. Obviously our full-time marketing MBAs, but also undergrad students, our business analytics students interested in marketing analytics. We're here to help any student become a future marketing leader.